crazy about me, I don't know, dawg. Any that can smoke don't won't fall. I done lost more jewels than they wearing. I done toted more tools than they carrying. I done touched more blocks than they.
What are you doing, baby? I'm working on this. It stinks. Put it in. Shut the door, baby. Okay, it smells like gas, baby. What? Wheels, like I said, wheels are brand spanking new. Put the C-nuts in there. It's immaculate. I mean, they did an amazing job for a cover-up. There's a couple little tiny spots in the bed. We were going to line it with rhino liner. So I'll do this one-handed. It's a muffler. I don't know which exhaust it is, but we're gonna find a cleaner one. Let's see. So this needs to be cleaned up. I'll clean her up for you. Leave the headlights. We've got orange ones too. She wanted the clear ones, but there's LED everything. She wanted the fog lights to be that. I'll tell you what, I don't have. That's the parking lights. I don't have the fog lights hooked up. Just I put those on there, and that new air dam, those brand new fog lights. I haven't even hooked them up. Let's see them brand new wires. Guess I could clean the damn thing up, huh? There's a spot on there, I ain't found it yet. That's all, anything you see is just cigarette ash and dust. I was just smoking cigarette ash. Shit. I'll wipe it down for you.